Are you struggling with complex map animations? In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to create a map animation in Canva. It's fast, simple, and perfect for any project. Now let's begin. So guys, once you log into your Canva account, you're going to create a blank video below. And once that's pulled up, we're going to go to elements on our left side and map of South America. Okay. Then we're going to click on photos and scroll down till you find the one that you like. Okay. So guys, I am going to use this map here. I'm going to drag it out on my canvas page. Okay guys, the next thing I want to do is duplicate the page. I want to zoom in on Brazil. Okay. So I'm just trying to make it larger. Okay. And I'm going to increase it right there at the bottom to about 60. Okay guys, so next thing we want to do is add a page. Okay, and then we're going to go back to elements and we're going to type in map of Brazil. Okay, so we're going to click on graphics and we're going to choose this right here. Okay, I'm going to enlarge it. Okay, we're going to change the color to like a green. Okay guys, once that's done, we're going to click on share download and download the current page only as a PNG. Make sure it's click transparent background and click download. Okay. All right, we're gonna drag it over here to our left. We see it's downloading. Okay. We're gonna go to uploads next. We're gonna go drag it over here. Okay. And we're gonna put it on top of Brazil itself. Okay. So you just have to play around with it till you have it the way you want it. Okay. Okay guys, once that's done, we're going to go to animate. Okay. We're going to choose ink. All right. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to go back to we're going to click on text. Okay. And click on it and we're going to type in the word Brazil. Okay. All right. We're going to change the color to white at the top. Okay. And we're going to change the font to open source. Okay. We're going to reduce the font size and then we're going to drag it over here. All right. When that's done, guys, we're going to go to the top, click animate. We're animating the word. Okay. And we're going to scroll down till we find the one that we want. I am going to choose blur. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to add a transition. Okay. We're going to select match and move. And we're going to increase this all the way. Okay, guys. Once that's done, we're going to put it a little mouse thing at the bottom. On the second page, we're going to click on Brazil itself. And what we're going to do on the second page during the duration, we're just going to decrease it, okay, to about 2.5. Okay. Okay, guys. So the next thing you want to do is you're going to kind of rewind this a little bit. Okay, 1.5. Okay. So when that's done, guys, we're going to go ahead and delete this page here and just rewind it. Okay, and decrease this. Okay, so, and then go ahead and press play. So guys, this looks pretty good to me. Now that you've mastered map animations, what's next? Stay tuned for my next tutorial. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.